Hey guys, welcome back to Badger State Alarms and Sirens. Today we'll be testing all the smoke and CO alarms at my grandma's house on my mom's side. So we're starting here in the basement with this Kidde carbon monoxide and explosive gas alarm model KN-COEG-3. You guys have never seen this one before on the channel, but we're going to give it a test here. It's at 243 ppm. Yeah?
The audio on the call just warped when it was doing the natural gas cycle. It was like doing a very weird distorted thing when you max out your microphone on like older cameras.
Oh, that's so funny.
It was going like.
Anyway, we're gonna give it the peak level now. 0. That's good. Anyways, now we're gonna move on to the First Alert carbon monoxide alarm in the upstairs hallway. Alright guys, so now we're testing the carbon monoxide alarm in the master bedroom. This one is the First Alert CO615. We'll give it a test here. The display is really cool on it. So now we're going to do a peak level. 0. This is a really cool carbon monoxide alarm. Anyways, now we're going to move on to testing the smoke alarms. Alright guys, so now we're testing the 20 SAR in the utility room. Alright, now we're going to move to the 30 CER-V in the main basement hallway. Alright guys, so now we're testing the Kidde 30 CER-V in the basement hallway. Here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And that's it. Now we're going to move on to the first floor hallway. Alright guys, sorry for the low quality because this one's really high up. But this is the 30 CER-V in the first floor hallway.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Alright, now we're going to move on to the 30 CER-V in the main second floor hallway. Alright, so now we're doing the Kidde 30 CER-V in the main second floor hallway.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
So now we're gonna move on to the bedroom smoke detectors, and those are 10 SDRs. Alright guys, so now we're testing the 10 SDR in the guest bedroom 1. And now we're going to move on to the 10 SDR in the other guest bedroom. Alright guys, so now we're testing the Kidde 10 SDR in the other guest bedroom. And now we're going to move on to the 10 SDR in the bedroom number 1. So now we're testing the Kidde 10 SDR in the main bedroom. Now we're going to move on to the Kidde 10 SDR in the master bedroom. So now we're testing the Kidde 10 SDR in the master bedroom. And just for fun, I'll show you guys the diagnostics on this. So anyway guys, that's it for testing all the smoke and carbon monoxide alarms at my grandma's house and my mom's side. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.